But Tenbury Wells, why does Tenbury Wells stick out to me as an example? It's because it's in limbo. It sits at this intersection of a couple of different things. For one, it is that picturesque local British village with a couple of protected buildings and a fort that goes back to the 1080s and a Roman heritage and coins and all that sort of stuff in it. You know, the stuff that it's not uncommon, but it's still, you know, a history that's there. So there's this question of like, how do you decide what's worth leaving behind and what's worth keeping?